Hello, Weekend Crafter! Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. This is Ange, your Weekend Crafter, and for this weekend, I will be sharing with you some Valentine earring ideas. If this is something that interests you, I hope that you consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio for your weekend dose of crafts. I work on a glass mat, and before I start any project, I clean my mat first with some alcohol and wipe it down. For this pair, you will need a medium-sized heart-shaped cutter and a smaller heart-shaped cutter. You will also need a detail needle. I also used some medium grit sandpaper and a plastic roller. First, flatten out your base clay into the number 5 setting on your roller and punch 2 medium-sized hearts. Next, I get some light purple clay and run it through the roller into the number 4 setting. I texture this using some medium grit sandpaper. Then I punch 2 medium-sized hearts. Next, I get my smaller heart cutter and cut 2 hearts at the center of the bigger hearts. I get some liquid clay and place it around the base heart. Then I place the light purple heart on top of the base heart. Then I roll out some pink clay into the number 3 setting. I cover this with some soft plastic before punching out 2 small hearts. This will curb its edges. I carefully place each of these hearts at the center of the bigger hearts. Then using a detail needle, I go around the heart and press small holes to add texture. Again, I punch 2 more pink hearts. I place holes on the upper part of the purple hearts and the lower part of the pink hearts. Once baked, these will be attached with a jump ring. For the second pair, we will again be using the medium-sized heart cutter. I also brought out some silicone molds of small flowers. First, roll out some green clay into the number 4 setting. Then texture it with some medium grit sandpaper. Next, punch 2 hearts. I got some mint-colored clay and rolled it into a very thin snake. Then I place it on the bottom part of the heart like crisscross stems. Next, I pressed different shades of pink and violet into the flower molds. I then place these flowers on the stems. Finally, I pressed some red clay into the bowl mold. I punched a hole on the upper corners of the heart for the earring findings. For the final set of earrings, you will need 2 teardrop-shaped cutters. First, I cut the bigger teardrop shape. Then, I placed a smaller cutter at the center and punched it carefully. I fished out the smaller teardrop shaped. You can do a number of combinations for the flowers. also added some micro beads to the center of the flowers by placing some liquid Sculpey before baking. I punched a hole on top of the teardrop. I hope that you enjoyed these Valentine earring ideas. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!